Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is May 4, 2026. Time check, badoy. Oy, 8:03 in the morning. Yes, of course, May 4. Happy anniversary, baby. It's been more than a decade now. Charot. Decade good karasanim. Oy, lonis nga adlaw. Ginibitaran kita pag-open itong grand opening itong Watson. Salit mano pa man. Masinga di kita ni munisipyo kay balita ko. Oh, it's coming. Welcome home. Welcome home. Nakabati kita nga. Nakabati. Matindiranin kita dito yung munisipyo. Ito na plug ceremony kay tapos na ang plug ceremony. Tapos na plug ceremony sakto lang pag-abot yan plug ceremony. Katapos ini grand opening na pangungunahan ni Mayor Gina Merlo Mayor Gina Merlo asa na ang kanang kamay at sabay-sabay.
Tamsihan na mama rayaw. Pagharap niya di dahit tuna, mga paglaom ha kinabuhi maturot nga. Bugto ko nga tanawan na nun, hingyap ko ikaw nga malipayo. Hain ka man yun ang atak na, ang puko nga kamurayo hatag sa tagsa. Bisan pa harayo ka, maabot an adlaw
welcome po, Mayor. And kami naman po sa 17 Sangguniang Bayan, nila kami para ikakaupay aton minahal nga bungto nga nasuporta lang kami yung mga programs and projects kung aton pa kita tama ini, wala kita irregularity, wala kita magiging problema. So again, Mayor, welcome back and payo lang natin ang pagtrabaho natin may nanagabong to. Salamat ng mga panginagal natin ito.
Thank you very much, Vice Mayor Archie Kapunen. So I guess, ladies and gentlemen, that ends the messages.
Better and brighter than awan to all of you. Good morning. Nagkakatitirok kita yan ang aga para ang pagpadayon han serbisyo publiko. I cannot express enough how grateful I am to stand before you once again to resume my duties as your mayor. I will be honest with you. The moment na hibaro ako nga I will be suspended for 3 months para diri ako maka-influence an investigation, I was deeply heartbroken. Masakit para akon nga mautod ang akong pagserbisyo publiko. But despite hadto nga mga challenges, I realized that it was also a time for reflection. It allowed me to focus on self-love and healing, giving me the physical rest that I so desperately needed to serve you better. Notwithstanding the local constraint that prevented me from exercising my official mandate over the past 3 months, I remain mentally, spiritually present in the service of Tanawananons. Permi ko kamo ginuupod akong pag-ampo. But I stand here with a peaceful heart because I firmly believe that truth is our side. Now, I am back. Siring pa man, usa ako nga naging kuan, han akong first termer ako nga naging mayor han 2022, dungganan kay First Lady Mayor ako. And second term ko, all my slate, tika nga Vice Mayor, to 8 ang mga SB member, all kami nga tanan nagdaog. So permi ako dungganan first term and second term. But dungganan kay pakyana. Kaya ako First Lady Mayor nga naging suspended din ni Tanawan. But I'm not ashamed for that. Diri ko din kakaawo dito nga na-suspended ako kay waray ako mangawa. Oo. Itawo may pagsayo. So I'm proud. Bisan ako suspended, still I am proud to myself. Sisiguradoon ko nga pinaagi gihapon hanbuli kan SB members, an aton Vice Mayor, an aton department heads, nga ini nga proyekto mahitukod, diri naton tutugutan, it politika makaulang ang pagserbisyo para han aton katawhan. Allow me also to inform you that after this program, we will be officially opening the Watson. Ngan rest assured nga magiging agresibo pa kita pag-invite in mga investors so that every family in our municipality feels the progress we are building together. I am forever grateful for your loyalty. Tapos na ang gutlohan pahuway, balik na kita nga trabaho, balik na kita pagserbisyo, parit aton minahal na bungto for a better and brighter Tanawan. Hopefully, magkaurusa kita. Pagkaurusa kita, Tanawananon, kay kita nga tanan, kung diri kita magtrabaho nga tanan, kung diri waray pagkaurusa, it aton hingya para aton bungto, diri naton ito mapapatuman. So I'm grateful to the department head, our Vice Mayor, our SB member for helping me para maging progresibo it aton bungto. So ayo tanan, thank you so much. And have a nice day forward. Thank you and good morning.
There's a story that must be told of kindness shining bright and bold. In every tear he's standing near, with helping hands that bring us cheer. Fame's not the goal, his heart is clear. He lifts up voices we all should hear. Through every vlog, hope starts to rise, uniting hearts, opening eyes. Sankey Tonio, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call. A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope comes alive in what you do. Sankey Tonio, you light the way with stories of love every day. Here in our town, you make us believe you're the light that we all need. He helps the poor and still he shows local heroes the world should know. Supporting small dreams in every place, he lifts them up with kindness and grace. When storms may come, when times are tough, Sankey stands strong, he's brave enough. With every viewer lending hand, together we help this land. Sankey Tonio, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call. A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope comes alive in what you do. Sankey Tonio, you light the way with stories of love every day. Here in our town.
So abot din na natong baganay mo imang raon, ano? An official pag grand opening an Watson Pharmacy. Nga naton gihapon welcome back minayoyo an Iroy han Bungto han Tanawang Mayor Gina Mirilo. Tala sa talanay. Again, this being your friend from another star, siyempre. Ako magpapabili lagi ako kayo. Sangkay nga mayukbo, normal. Ako isang kay Tonyo. Good night, sweet dreams. Mama. Chup chup. Okay.
I